Hello everybody and welcome back to brand new Dead Overflow video. I am Dead Overflow and today I actually have a very exciting topic which I will get into. But before we get started into it, please make sure to subscribe. We're very close to hitting actually 100,000. I know it's like we're 50k away, but trust me, it's very close. I definitely believe in you guys. And also, check out my Android API hacking course. It can definitely teach you a lot about Android app hacking. And also check out my Bug Bounty course as well as my game hacking course. They're all like 50% off, if not even that. They're actually, some of them are like 95% off. Check them all out. Links are in the description. Now, let's go with the video. So today's video is sponsored actually by Famous.ai, and funny enough, I actually have to tell you something. I have used this website before. This is not the first time of me actually using this website. It is definitely kind of interesting to see that actually a company which I used before reaches out to me and wants to do a video with me. That's kind of cool. One of the things I actually have to tell you guys is that this website was used to build Aveno, and actually front end. So all of the things you see on the screen right now are actually built by the website, but we actually couldn't, settle down on which color to use. This was supposed to be red, but I realized purple would definitely fit it much better. But don't worry about it. Today, actually, we will show you how this web app AI works so that you can actually build websites very simple and very easily in just a matter of a few seconds. And top it all off, this also has a database integration, so you don't actually have to worry about it. And getting a website already hosted and shareable is as easy as just writing a prompt and hitting the send button. And also you can connect your own domain, which is very fantastic. And they also offer to actually buy a domain for you, so you can buy a domain through their website. But that is besides the point. Let's actually start by building a website. Since you already know, I do not have a website which is dedicated for sponsors to reach out to me. So I will definitely make a portfolio website, which will be a sponsored page, so everybody can kind of comment to it, check it out, and also reach out to me. Since currently the system is they reach out to me via email, that is actually very old. Let's actually make something new. And if this satisfies me, which I believe it will, we can definitely get it going. So let's go. So first of all, I'm going to write a prompt for it, so that we can actually make a website. So I have to describe who I am, so let me just do that in a few lines. So I wrote to this AI, I am Dead Overflow, a YouTuber and a cybersecurity researcher. I need a portfolio website which allows me to showcase my work on the front page a bit, something like a grid of videos. Also, you can put some dummy text here and there, which I will update. So I need an update, so I need a database for this, so that I can add videos later. Videos should be, a link, a title, and a thumbnail, because that's just basically how I should display these videos, and which thumbnail would mean an image. So make sure the design is modern and nice. Also, I need sponsors to have a contact page, which they can check out and send their sponsorship offer to my channel. So it will be a form which they can fill out, including their name, email, company details, budget in mind, and so on. Make it very, and I mean very modern. So this is all we're going to have to do for the rest of that video, apart from testing and apart from filling out the dummy text, which I could have told him, but I want to put out something myself because I want to make this as professional as I can. I like writing stuff, so let's go. Send it. So as you can see, it has started to cook up my whole website. I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm assuming not too long, but let's wait until it actually cooks up the entire website. And we can also see, the status of the web application, where currently in the status it is. So how much actually left it has. And yeah, definitely cool. So let's wait and see what happens. And after a bit of waiting, honestly, from what I can see currently in front of me, it definitely was worth it. But let's just slowly dive into this. And I'm not even kidding. This is going to be my official website from now on. I will buy a domain. I will start using this platform because this is actually immaculate. I do not know how crazy this was. And I'll be honest with you, it actually took around less than 5 minutes to cook all this thing up, and it has a database most importantly, but also in the analytics page. But I'll show everything. So first of all, we have the videos page, which is very cool. We have the about page and the sponsor me page, which is very nice. Dead Overflow, okay, there's a lot of stuff which we can't change here because AI doesn't know much about me. There's links, which take to my channel, take to my GitHub, take to my Twitter. And these are the latest videos. As I've said to the AI, just put some dummy stuff on it so that we can actually, you know, fill it up. But oh my God, look at the animations. It already, oh my, I'm not even joking when I say that I'm not impressed. Like, this is insane. I'm impressed. I genuinely like how it looks. And there's a lot of stuff which we can change here, put my own videos, but that is very easy. And you can actually filter them based on the category, means that we can also add them, but I'll show you how you can do that. There's the About Me page, which, you know, I hope we can reach this soon, guys. That's actually the only correct thing. This is not correct. Maybe vulnerabilities, but not CVEs. And this is 100% correct. I definitely got 100 bounties, if not even more. So, yeah, I like it. The Become a Sponsor page looks really, really, really professional. One time, oh my God, it looks so good. The website. Oh, I just leaked my phone. We're gonna have to actually blur that out. But the budget range, we can select under 5,000. But sorry, definitely what I like. And the footer looks amazing, and I love how this looks. So, how can you send this to somebody, and how can somebody see this page? Well, it's very simple. First of all, we can go to dashboard, or we can go to settings. It doesn't really matter. But let's go to dashboard. And as you can see, we can go to domains, and we can buy a domain to actually connect to this. But let's actually go to the project settings. This is where you can see the analytics and the database. And actually, this is the domain. So we can copy this domain, open it up, and now everyone actually can see this, and it's accessible to anyone. So you can kind of see it right now if you're watching this video, which is very cool. I definitely am a big fan of this platform now. So what can we do now? Well, as you can see, the analytics page works very flawlessly as well. It will track analytics, but we're currently on the free plan, so things can tend to get changed on the free depending on which plan you choose, but I recommend you go anything above free. And also you can see live page views or sessions, how people call them, new users. I mean, this is like looking pretty amazing. Also tells you which country this is. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's look at the database. So these are the databases, and these are the migrations. This is very important. This is some core stuff. You don't actually have to look at it. These are the business sponsor inquiries. So we're going to add a new sponsor inquiry to maybe see it. And these are the videos. And by the way, look at this. These are all of the videos. And it's honestly very easy to now add more. I mean, this is crazy, but let's actually add a new sponsor inquiry. So I just created a dummy sponsor. So let's submit inquiry, and it tells you, thank you. Your sponsorship inquiry has been received. We'll get back to you in 48 hours, which is not actually true. I usually get back even quicker, maybe 2 or 3 hours, depending on if I'm awake. But that means we can actually see it. And this is the ID. This is the company name. This is the contact. And best thing about it is you actually don't have to see it here. You can actually go and tell the AI, okay, make me now an admin page, which I will, to, you know, show this a bit nicer. How cool is that? Also, make me an admin page to add more videos and so on. I think this platform is really cool. And honestly, I'm very excited to meet more things about it. So there you go, everyone. This website looks clean as hell, and I'll be using it further on. I might change colors though, something I did with Avino, but look at this. It looks super cool. One actual final thing I want to test is how it looks on the mobile phone. I think it looks fine. So let's just check that out. Yeah, there's no denying. I don't even know why I had to see it. It looks just crazy clean. And also this drop down menu. I mean, what else can you really ask from this website? So there you go. Check the pinned comment or links in the description to actually get the famous AI. So go ahead, visit them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below. Stay safe, stay responsible, and as always, peace.